5.94. It's just better. Now Yiheng's turn. Yiheng. Oh, that's tough. This first serve was very tough. 55.45 seconds. Now Xuanyi's turn. Let's see. Okay. Oh, 4.30. That's a little bit better. Yeah, now Yiheng's turn. His first serve was tough now. At what time here? No. Oh! 3.80. Oh my god! Shit. It's the highest of them too. Now it's Xuanyi's turn. Xuanyi. Oh! 4.24. That's okay. Now Yiheng's turn. Open 3-1. Oh my god. 4.31 seconds. Now it's Xuanyi's turn. 7.95. That's better. No. Oh, 3.94. Now the last serve for them too. Xuanyi's turn. How many seconds will he do? Let's see. Oh, 5.06. That's 5.10. 5.10. That's tough. Now Yiheng's turn. Xuanyi's last was tough and last serve was tough, and Yiheng's first serve was tough. Now. Oh, 4.02. Xuanyi's average 4.49 and Yiheng Wang's average is 4.23. My god. Yiheng Wang, the championship of 2025. I think he's a lot of fans following of him.
This is your world champion, Yiheng Wang.
2025 world champion.
In third place, with an average of 4.98, Timon Kolashinsky.
Timon Kolashinsky became the third. Second place.
In second place, with an average of 4.49 seconds,
4.49.
Xuanyi Geng.
Xuanyi Gang. And Xuanyi Gang. Xuanyi Gang. 4.49 average.
And in first place,
Yiheng
with an
Wang.
average of 4.23 seconds,
Yiheng Wang.
the world champion in 3x3 and the winner of the World Championship 2025, Yiheng Wang.
4.23. Oh my god. You look so happy. Great job, Yiheng.